COVID-19 is affecting communities all around the world. The health and safety of our workforce is of utmost importance to us, and we have taken steps to protect our team. We believe it's important to reinforce some guidance in detail to mitigate the spread of this virus. You can protect others by protecting yourself, and remember to immediately contact HR and your manager if you are showing symptoms or have been diagnosed with the virus. Here are the best practices to avoid contamination and transmission. 1. Wash your hands frequently with soap and water for the duration of the Happy Birthday song. Especially wash after eating and after using the bathroom. 2. Avoid touching your face because the virus can enter your body through your nose, mouth, and eyes. 3. Maintain a physical distance of 1 to 2 meters with others. The virus can travel in respiratory droplets up to this distance. 4. Cough or sneeze into a tissue, which you should dispose of immediately into a closed bin. 5. Wear a surgical mask only if you're showing symptoms. 6. Stay at home if you're feeling unwell. 7. Get a thermometer and monitor your temperature daily. 8. Remember shed, sleep, hydration, exercise, diet. Don't believe everything you read and don't spread rumors. Check your local government website for up-to-date information and verify your sources. Stay in touch digitally with loved ones, colleagues, and the community. And stay positive. Our actions will have an effect. Let's work together to stop the spread of COVID-19.